Did you know that in 2024, over 67% of couples reported feeling more disconnected than ever? Despite living in a hyper-connected world, relationships are evolving faster than ever. And if you're not adapting, you're falling behind. Today, we're diving into 2025's top psychology tips for building stronger relationships. Science-backed strategies to future-proof your connections, whether with your partner, friends, or colleagues. Stick around, because these tips could transform how you relate to others in the coming year. By 2025, the way we build trust, communicate, and resolve conflicts, we look radically different, thanks to groundbreaking psychology research, like the 2024 Stanford study showing that 65% of relationship success hinges on adaptability. We now know exactly what works. Let's break down the 6 most impactful strategies you need to know. Before we jump into the tips, let's talk why psychology matters. Relationships aren't just about chemistry, they're about patterns. Think of your brain as a relationship GPS. It's constantly predicting, reacting, and learning. In 2024, the Harvard Relationship Lab found that couples who understand emotional neuroscience, how brains sync during conflict, repaired trust 40% faster. That's the power of psychology. In 2025, relationships will demand intentionality. With AI, remote work, and digital overload reshaping how we interact, these tips aren't just helpful, they're essential. Tip number 1, master active constructive responding, ACR, comes straight from Dr. John Gottman's 2024 research on micro moments of connection. Let's say your partner says, "I got promoted." A weak response is, "Cool, what's for dinner?" But active constructive responding means lighting up. Try. "That's amazing. Tell me everything. How did it happen?" Gottman's data shows ACR boosts relationship satisfaction by 31%. The trick? Match their energy, ask open-ended questions, and celebrate their wins like your own. Action step. Next time someone shares news, put your phone down, make eye contact, and respond with genuine curiosity. Tip number 2, upgrade your digital emotional intelligence. In 2024, a UC Berkeley study found that 72% of millennials fight over the misunderstanding. Why? Tech lacked tone, leading to digital misattunement. The FI, emotional intelligence, EQ, in digital communication. For example, instead of "we need to talk," try "hey, can we chat about something? I'd love your perspective." Add emojis strategically. Softens urgency. Pro tip, use voice notes for complex conversation. A 2024 Journal of Communication study found voice messages increase perceived empathy by 50% compared to text. Tip number 3, practice radical vulnerability. Brené Brown's 2024 TED Talk went viral for a reason. Vulnerability is the superpower for 2025. But here's the twist. It's not just sharing feelings. It's asking for what you need. For example, "I felt hurt when we missed our date night. Can we prioritize that next week?" A 2024 survey by the Relationship Institute found that couples who practiced structured vulnerability, 10 minutes of deep talk daily, reported 25% higher intimacy in just 2 weeks. Action step. Start small. Share one unfiltered thought with someone today. Tip number 4, build gratitude rituals. Psychologist Dr. Sarah Algo's 2024 research revealed that couples who text one daily gratitude to each other stay 34% happier long-term. Try. "Thanks for making coffee this morning. It made my day." Gratitude isn't just polite. It rewires your brain to focus on positives. Set a daily alarm to share appreciation via text, voice memo, or old school note. Tip number 5, leverage AI for conflict resolution. Yes, AI is now a relationship tool. Apps like Amity AI, launched in 2024, analyze your communication patterns and suggest real-time fixes. For example, if you're stressed, it might say, "Take a 10-minute walk and revisit this conversation." A 2024 case study showed couples using AI tools resolved arguments 50% faster. Skeptical? Try free apps like Couple Zen to start. Tip number 6, prioritize self-relationship care. You can't pour from an empty cup. A 2024 Yale study found that people who practice self-compassion daily have 40% healthier relationships. Start with a 5-minute morning mantra. "I am enough, and I bring value to my relationships." Remember, your relationship with yourself sets the tone for every other connection. Conclusion. Let's recap. 1, celebrate wins with ACR. 2, boost digital EQ. 3, embrace vulnerability. 4. Daily gratitude. 5. Use AI wisely. And 6. Love yourself first. These aren't just trends. They're your 2025 relationship toolkit. If you found this helpful, smash that like button, share it with someone you care about, and subscribe for more science-backed tips. Drop a comment below. Which tip are you trying first? See you next time. Go build those connections.